Okonomiyaki. Sometimes called Japanese pizza, okonomiyaki is a versatile, savory Japanese pancake, which I'll make in this video by pan-frying. This is a non-traditional recipe though, but made with the concept to reduce fridge scraps. Ingredients! Although the sauces aren't a necessity, I really think these are the highlights of the dish. First, dissolve 3 teaspoons of dashi with 1 cup of boiled water. In a large bowl, put in 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, the dashi and water mixture from earlier, and now you'll mix until you get a smooth, even mixture. Add in your 1 cup of chopped cabbage, half a cup of chopped green onion, and mix some more. Okay, once everything looks pretty well distributed, we will oil the pan evenly on medium heat. Pour the batter in. Then top off with some cheese. Once both sides are evenly brown, do the same for the next batch. So with this recipe, I made 3 pancakes in total. The reason I'm putting the cheese in the bottom is just to get a cheese crust, so don't expect any melted and cheese pull-worthy pictures here. Alright, now the toppings. Kewpie mayonnaise, takoyaki sauce, seaweed and toasted sesame seeds, green onion, Alright, let's try this out. So it's definitely soft and easy to cut through. And look at that cheese encrusted bottom. It is good. Bye-bye for now, and thanks for watching. Stay safe and eat good food. Bye, guys.